get it on your phone, do some tasks, and get that ETH. This is how much I've got last week with this strategy, and you can do the same, guys, so just follow the steps and hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Now, with today's strategy, we can get a lot of crypto, and I really mean a lot of it. First app is for some active income, but I have one for passive income as well. Whether you live in Africa, in America, Asia, wherever, guys, you can see it here, 192 countries worldwide. You can get a lot of money, so let's just start with it. Go to timebox.com, and here you can post on Facebook, you can view funny slideshows, you can play games, and you can get a lot of money for yourself. And for example, just take a look at Timebox on Trustpilot, guys. 1.4 thousand reviews, and they've got 3.9. That's a cool rating. You can also install apps, you can complete micro tasks, you can answer surveys, and that's gonna get you nice amounts. But of course, there is this website which has a lot of users, which is reliable, and which offers us super fast speed and these instant daily payouts. That's gonna be one passive income. And trust me, guys, it is super easy to use. But while it is doing itself, while it is making us money passively, we can get these daily bonuses on timebox.com, so make yourself an account, and then you will be satisfied just like these people on Trustpilot are. Great site, easy earn money. Timebox is a legit website. Great survey site. To be honest, this site is legit. Payment received. You can get a lot of money wherever you live. You just have to make yourself an account, so let's not waste time on it. And when you log in inside, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. But let's leave that for now. Let's see what Bitcoin miner script is. Don't worry, this is pretty easy. As you can see, bitcointora.online works in a very simple way. You just copy and paste your Bitcoin wallet address, and it will start generating Bitcoins. But of course, you can get ETH here as well, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. But first of all, we will need a wallet for this website, and you can use Exodus, Atomic Wallet, or maybe even this Trust wallet. You can get Trust on Google Play, App Store, just like Exodus, as you can see. But of course, you can use Coinbase, Binance, or hell, if you are a beginner, just go on bitcoin.org and choose your wallet. These guys have 4 simple questions. So first question, what's your operating system? Click on Windows. That's next. These guys are going to help you. How much do you know about Bitcoin? Just click on New. Just be honest with them. Then the third question is going to be which criteria are important to you. So just take fees. You don't want to waste money on those fees. Click on Next. And the last question is what features are you looking for? 2-factor authentication is good one. Click on Next. And then you'll be recommended this Electrum wallet, which is really good, but I don't like because it is very ugly. You can see that it is very ugly on webpage and inside. This one is the most beautiful one, but in the end, whichever one you choose, you can enjoy Timebox and you can enjoy bitcointora.online. So when you come on Bitcointora online, click on Start Mining button here, and of course, hit that subscribe button if you enjoy our channel. Thank you. So when you log in bitcointora.online, you can see that you just have to enter your Bitcoin address, or you can switch to ETH, guys, and just enter your ETH address in this box here, and then you just select the amount of ETH that you want to mine. So you can choose 2, 4, 6, however you want. You guys select how many of these you want to mine. When you do that, you just click on this start button, and of course, you just have to confirm your address, make sure it is a correct one, click on confirm, and then the process is going to start, and you're going to make a lot of money with it. So you can see that this is now working on autopilot. You can just leave.